Jake, more rice. Give me the bun bun. Give me the bun bun. My uncle like that. I top the bun bun. Give me the bun bun.
Wagwan, my viewers and subscribers. Good evening to everyone. Enough love and respect every time. And remember, if you don't like the truth, this channel is not for you. Alright? Cool. People, me just want to touch a little bit on Curly. We go say she go test yai today. We go get glasses. Because she said Donna go collect her glasses 4 days ago. She want glasses now. People, before I get into this video, please remember to subscribe, like and share, and leave your thoughts down below. And click on the notification bell for know when Pinky posts a video. Alright, cool. So people, 4 days ago we see Auntie D go collect her glasses, right? Seems as if it is a prescription glasses. Alright, Auntie D come out and she put on her glasses, and because she say most time when she use it is to read the comments them, because them bring up the words and thing, right? And it help with the bright lights, because my glasses is a prescription glasses, can me wear glasses too. Alright, Bams me say Coco Wag Hag say she got test eye to the people. Hey! Whoa, I can't bother. Coco Walk Hag say she got test eye today. All of a sudden she want glasses, people. Right? She want glasses for read comments to, just like how Donna want glasses for read her comments them. And how she need it for drive at night. Eh? So before Donna get her glasses, you never know say you want glasses for wear dark bed. Eh? Coco Walk Hag. You never know say you want glasses before you see Donna go get glasses and run and come out, come and tab up how people are going to say you are follow Donna. Donna no lie, it's true. It is true. Everything what Donna do, you do it too. It is the truth, people. Me say we no fit talk the truth. She is follow fashion. Me say if Donna no come out, you can do something, Curly no get nothing to imitate. Or fi follow Alpha. Me say if Donna no come out, a T-girl and Curly dead fi hungry on social media, me say. They not gonna have nothing at all for chat about. You hear what me say? Curly is too follow fashion. She come and talk about Donna, if people see Donna wear glasses long time, eh? Donna just wear glasses the other day, and maybe I just advertise it. She advertise if you want woman to sell glasses, eh? And how she Curly I wear glasses for years. I be what them call it, be a cyclops glasses. We see you come out wear. We don't see her wear nothing will look suitable. Be a big ass glasses that cover the whole of your face, make you look like a mascot, make you look like a clown, and then there's something there come out can wear. We not see you wear nothing will make you look like a decent big woman. Heavy glasses that come out here make you feel a clown. But no, you see Miss D gonna get proper glasses. You understand? For read her comment section and for do what she do where reading is concerned. No, you want glasses now too. Just to follow fashion. Erica come and Erica say, yes, no. See as Donna go get glasses. She come want glasses too. So people, take a listen to what the dog bed say about Miss D. Bad mind.
Everything when you run on social media, compare. Nobody don't if you compare. Nobody don't if you compare. Sometimes people just put on glasses on them face because they want to show a different image. She never used to wear no glasses until when she started work for Mrs. Woman there. Maybe she just a muggly glass for the eyeglass woman. She found a know her. I do charity. You never see she come and wear test glass? No. So if she want to put on Miss Woman the glass and go muggle with it so you can see it, ask her where she get it from. Maybe advertise, she advertise. You know mean that she wear it? How much years me I wear my one? All my life. How many years? How much glasses me come from? Me now have my test glass from Woodland Village till last. Till it broke. You know see me with my little reading glass. I me all wear it. Go drive at night time go drive at night time around Flatbridge and see if you can see shit around there. with them a big truck, with them a bright light in your face. God, you make.
Uno hear where the cocoa walk hag said to people. Uno know to God say she bad minding and she follow fashion. She's no trendsetter out here, so no people. She not set no farmer example, you know. People no can cancel it. All them a something, them a ginger flyer, them a butter ears, them a dark bed, yeah. Them a unwanted dirty woman, and if you come off of the internet, me tell you. Them a worklessness when I go nowhere. If you come down off of the internet, no man. Them a ginger flyer. Them a stagnant woman, yeah. If you come down, no man. Sure, me say me sick and tired of the little old hall at you see, man. Me say she disgusting, you see me. Me say when I look on the piece of dry wig what she have upon her head to rock stone. No, big and serious people. You never see Curly in a one proper decent wig. Talky God Almighty truth. Curly wig then look like them wig where you buy half a Timo or half a Sheen or half a Alibaba. Talky God truth. You never see Curly in a one proper wig. Always some wig will look dry and toasty and one grease. Eh? And always want to come out and come class up herself and put herself, you know, amongst decent people like she has smaddy. Always love to even up. One of sister be so cyclops glasses she wear out here all of a sudden as Miss D get a glasses she want glasses too. What a woman follow fashion. Eh? When they go come out and come do something where we can say, oh my God, this is a good example Curly is setting. You're not setting no good example, Jankro. Come down. So Miss D, they touch upon the topic with the 9-year-old we get grape by the big dirty toasty boy. Right? And the reason why I never touch upon the topic the people is because the topic that grieve my spirit. Me not lie, because me have a daughter who is 10 years old. You understand me? Tender pitney them there. Them there baby. And for a man get turned on by a baby, that is a serious, a sick smaddy that. But me not go touch upon the topic the people. Come here and tell you say, anytime I remember it, it make me feel very emotional. Me not tell you no like. I even right now me I tell you. It come like tears are gonna come on my eyes. Some of them want to talk too much upon it. You understand me? But me I tell you say wickedness they are all I know people. And them the people will have the mind and the art for manipulate her, for molest and for KILL the child. Jesus peace. Them the people that deserve the life where them have. Them the people that deserve to go in and no prison, go lock up your mad and go Nyam taxpayers' money. Eh? No man. Them that me say them need to carrying back hang. When them hang people, they need to bring in back then something there. But as me say people, me no want to touch too much upon the topic then I come and tell you say. The situation that grieved my spirit very, very much. Because I have children too. You understand me? I have children too. Why? Anyways. So Miss D, I touched upon the whole topic. You know that topic. And, you know, she give her opinion about the whole situation. Other bloggers come out too as well, come give them opinion. For them 2 cents, them 3 cents and why not cent what they want to give pan it. Because trust me, it grieve a lot of people. That situation. Only if you see butter ears, coke hole, T-Dog come out and I say how as she talk about the situation, Miss D start to talk about it. So you want to tell me, say, it is your story to tell? So any topic where they out there, people not free to talk about it. Eh? Look how much something Miss D come on her platform, come talk, and as she talk it before she even drop out her mouth, good, only take it up. So what? If she even talk about something where Unu did talk about, and not because Unu talk about it, the woman watch news too. She not see what go on social media. Who no need to talk something on phone platform in order for she talk something on your platform? Who is Uno? Eh? Ah, Uno are the follow fashion monkey out there, you know. Remember say if Dana no shit out here, Uno no get nothing at all to talk about, you know. Eh? Dog bed, whole suitcase, whole what make you no come off of the woman name. Me say the amount of cloud, dirty tea that the amount of cloud, dirty tea that talk over platform. The amount of cost what she cost Dana. For what reason? No, Dana shouldn't give her 2 cents on the situation. Dana should supposed to keep her mouth locked. Eh? So who is Uno that Dana tell you no to go over night time? Dana up no fridge and take out look juice or look water. Eh? Dana cook somewhere for no. Dana use no bathroom. Dana sleep side of Uno. No. I will not put on Dana pot on fire. No. So wait. What kind of obligation you no feel to send Dana one out here? Eh? Dana no want nothing. Me say if Dana no shit people, T-girl and Curly dead for hungry out here. And Dwayne and Maxine, Laurie, me say the whole of them way wall up and down in the hog pen. Me say if Miss D no come out here, then dead for hungry. And we all know it's true. People, look more yeah. Come here tell us then dog shit a 6 to mock. Please remember to subscribe, like and share and leave your thoughts down below. And click on the notification bell for know when Pinky posts a video. Alright? Take care.